What is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. In this video, we are going over the September profits for Warfi Trading Bots. As you can see, I'm here in the Discord, and I'm gonna first just go over the announcements, and then we'll jump into my actual profits that I had from the trading bot. So we can see here it says, so it begins. This month marks the beginning of bigger and greater things to come. Shiny and his team has just sent me the percent for the month, and it looks like this will be the start of bigger gains to be made in the coming months. September profit was 4.2%, 3.78% after profit split. The last few trades this week gave us a big push for the end of the month, which is why updates throughout the month won't reflect the end of the month performance. And it looks like the start of the month percentages going back up to their former glory. We expect things to keep pushing up moving forward, though nothing is guaranteed. Things are looking good for us in the market. Warbot and Shiny Jackal anniversary. October will mark the 1-year anniversary since the very first Warbot was ever purchased, with its first trading month in November. November will also mark the 2-year anniversary of Shiny Jackal's green streak. Wow, 2 years in the green. That's awesome. This is a feat that no other project in the DeFi space has ever delivered, and this is something that we will aim to consistently deliver for the many years to come. And then we got, of course, some hashtags, hashtag real wealth, hashtag real revenue. To celebrate this incredible milestone, we will be running a special offer for the month of October. Jason Baxter will be hosting an AMA next week for the community to talk through the future of Warfi and release the details on the October special offer. You really won't want to miss it. All right, so the profit is 4.2%, but really it's 3.78% when it talks about the profit split. Some of that goes to the actual team running the trading bots, and then the rest goes to the investors. So I would be getting 3.78%, as well as anyone else who's invested into the project. So it is nice to see that we had another green month. Shiny Jackals had 2 years of green months. That's pretty crazy. A trading bot that was in profits for a full 2 years, unheard of in the industry. So it's really nice to see these guys doing some good things. If we go over to my actual NFT, I had $170 even invested into the trading bot, and the profits for the month is $6.43. And so what I've done was I put it on full compound. So my payout mode is on compound. So that means I'm not taking any of the profits out. I'm just recompounding everything back into the trading bot. And the reason why I'm doing that is simply just because when you deposit money into the NFT, they do take a 15% a fee from there, and so that does automatically put you in the negative, because instead of the full $200 going into the trading bot, I only had $170. And so I wanted to just go ahead and keep compounding until I can at least start breaking even, start seeing some profit, and then that's when I'll start pulling some money out. So that is my strategy. Of course, if you want to jump into Warfi, do whatever you like. I know a lot of people who just start pulling out their profits right away, so that way they can get their money back, which is totally fine. I don't see anything wrong with that. The upgrade is not here yet. It's still going to October. I'm sure at some point they will upgrade the actual table. Man, I cannot chart. There we go. Chart. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word for some reason. They'll update the chart soon, and it will show the profits. But you can see that our average has gone up a little bit. It's 7.45% now. And of course, last month was 3.03%. Now, I do believe this is including the fee that the team takes. So it's actually a little bit lower than this, but it's not much lower. So of course, it's all a big marketing ploy for them to put the higher amount in, but it's fine. As long as they're making money, that's the most important thing. And so Warfi Trading Bots is doing well. I am going to be putting out a video going over all of my investments and just showing how much I've made last month for each of them. And Warfi is going to be one of the ones in the green, which is great to see. I will hopefully have that out, if not tomorrow, then in the next couple of days. But that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you guys are in Warfi as well. I'd love to have a conversation with some of the other investors just to see what's going on, what kind of strategy they're using as far as compounding, if they're splitting, if they're taking everything or just leaving everything in. Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.